Welcome to PoPo's channel. Follow me to learn more crochet methods.
Then it will be better when we connect them, and it will be clearer. Then we start to crochet. We will turn the knitting piece like this, which will be easier. Crochet the 13th piece. We'll pull the needle from here to here. 14 slip stitches. This is the first, the second, and the third. I have finished the back stitch here. Then we crochet 40 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can continue to hook, and 40 stitches are enough. I have finished crocheting 40 chain stitches. Then we take out the 15th petal. Then hook the half stitches. Then we'll pull it up. It's the same. Pull up this row of stitches. The 14 stitches are done on this side. Let's see how to crochet the bottom part. After hooking the 15th piece, we put this piece of fabric like this next to the 14th piece of fabric. This is the handle part when placed like this. Then we'll pull the 15th and 14th pieces. We turn the fabric over to crochet. We have crocheted the slip stitch before, the same way as hooking in this stitch. Thread it through this stitch to this stitch. Pull it once. Pull it up to connect it in this way. Then we crochet this side like this. Then this side is connected. Here, the 14th and 15th pieces are connected. Don't cut the thread here. Then we find the 4th and 6th pieces. Pull these to like this. The 4th and 6th pieces. Then pull it over. Place it over here. Align with the 14th and 15th. Place it here between the 14th and 15th. Hold them like this. We connect the 4th and 16th pieces here. Then we need to count here the number of this V-shaped. Insert the hook into the 14th. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we insert the hook needle into the 14th stitch. The needle hold, it's the same on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 13, 14, and the 14th through the V-shaped side. Then we crochet a slip stitch. It's not easy to hook here. Everyone take your time and hook up an end needle. Pass through this stitch. Connect them together like this. Then we will hook the corresponding stitch here. Hook an EPP for each stitch. 1 stitch for 1 stitch. When hooking the drawn stitch, hook it loose and don't pull it too tight. This is where we crocheted before. It's the same as before. Insert it into this stitch. Then hook an extra stitch up like this. Then go to this position here. It's the same here. Pull up the needle. This way. They are connected. Continue with the 3rd and 5th pieces. It's the same behind. 1 by 1 to pull up. For the 3rd and 5th pieces are completed. Then we connect the 8th and 5th pieces and connect them together. The thread is also below. Connect the 5th and 8th pieces together. Count. There are 14. 1 to 3, 4. Insert the needle from the 14th stitch. The other side is the same. Then we will connect this side. Then we come to here. The connection is the same. First, pass through the 2 stitches we crocheted before, and then pass a slip stitch through the other side. Then loosen this a little bit. Then do the same on this side. Pull this. Stitch through this stitch. pull it through like this. So we continue to move forward here, corresponding 7. Connect the 7th and 9th pieces correspondingly. After connecting the 7th and 9th pieces, we connect the 9th and 12th pieces, then connect the 10th and 11th pieces. Count like this. Insert the needle into the 14th.
You can just button the corresponding buttons here.
Here we come to this side. The connection place is the same. First, hook the stitches we hooked before, then make a slip stitch. After making a slip stitch, and make a slip stitch in the stitches we've done before, and make another pull.
Then continue to connect the 11th and 10th petals.
I won't demonstrate it here. You can just keep doing the same thing. Here we will see how to crochet again. Here the 10th and 11th petals are connected. Then we take out the last petal and continue. Then we take of the thread. This paper piece is the first one. Pick up the first piece and the second piece and thread it through here. Count 14 stitches. Insert the needle at the 14th stitch. The same on the opposite side. Insert the needle from the corner here. We connect the first piece and the 16th together. Then we will connect this part and connect the thread here. After connecting the 1st and 16th pieces, we'll crochet a row of slip stitches to hook a row of slip stitches to this position. Here are 14 slip stitches. After hooking, it's the same as here. We will crochet 40 stitches. Everyone can do it by yourself. 40 slip stitches here. I've finished crocheting 40 stitches here. It's done. Then we'll do a slip stitch. Here on the 16th piece, we count 14 stitches here. And then make a slip stitch here. And crochet 14 slip stitches in a row. Here are 14 drawn stitches. After hooking, we can cut the thread at this end. We leave a little longer and cut the thread, then pull out this section of thread. Then we use a pin to hide this section of thread. Cut the thread here. Thread it through the hook of this needle. Pass it through like this. And hide it behind this part. Hide it in the loop of the hook and pull it a few times. Fix the thread a little more firmly. Cut off the thread after hiding it. Then here we start. Start to connect from the 6th and 7th pieces here.
We also start from the stitch we crocheted before.
Insert the hook and pull the thread out. Then we connect it from this row like this. Is the same as the previous method. When we do the slip stitch here, we should hook it loosely. If you feel it's too tight, just pull it out and start over. Hook a little looser. When you don't know how many stitches you've done here, let's count the stitches here. Leave 14 stitches, and then continue to pull the thread. Let's connect these.
Here we connect 12 and 14 together.
Count 14 stitches as well. The thread at this section must be placed below. From the 14th stitch, count 14 stitches here as well. Let's connect them together. Continue to knit. Connect here, the position of the 11th and 13th, actually. We do the same. Pass the thread through the previous. Hook through the stitches we knitted before. You are so professional. It's the same as before. Crochet 1 stitch. Make the thread a little looser here.
You can hook the stitches here corresponding to the joint.
Hook to here. Let's take a look again. How to crochet the back part. I'm done here. I'm done connecting. After the connection, then we'll crochet the stitch on this side
And the 16th stitch on the edge.
we do the same thing. We also count 14 stitches here. Let's do this stitch to link. Link. You've completed the 14 stitches.
We'll make a slip stitch on this braid.
Pull up a circle here.
You also crochet half of this entire thread.
Position. Let's see how to crochet it again.
You can crochet a round of slip stitch by yourself.
Just 40 stitches of the drawstring needle. The braid is done. The position.
Then we pull from here down to the end.
4 stitches are pulled from here. Pull the same way on this side. It's already tied here.
Then we connect this side.
Connect 4 and 15. We connect here.
Connect it from here to this position.
Connect this section of the thread. This thread also needs to be placed behind. Then we connect it. It's hard to connect here. Then we'll do it slowly.
Stretch your hand into this space to connect it.
Put this line in here. We do the same here. Enter 14 stitches. We enter from needle 13 and the same on the other. Connect both sides together here.
And hook down the corresponding stitches.
14 stitches. Then you can follow this way. You can crochet downwards and turn.
I'll teach you how to crochet here when we get here.
It's the same here and crochet in the same way. First, in the 2 stitches that have been crocheted to make a draw stitch. Then do the same on this side. That's all you need to do. The loop here. This loop is a little looser, so pull it. Take it easy.
The crocheting method here is the same.
I won't demonstrate it to you. You can crochet by yourself. Break the thread here, then do the same.
Hide the thread inside the previously crocheted loop.
And that's it. You can crochet by yourself later. We do the same here. Insert the needle here. Pull up the hook. And connect the whole row together. Count to see if there are 14 stitches. Be sure to. Each side of each row has 14 stitches. After we connect here,
To connect the first and third pieces here,
The upper thread also needs to be placed below. It's the same as the other side. There are 14 stitches on both sides. Then we can start crocheting. You have 14. And 14 stitches here. Then we'll start. Then crochet this row neatly one by one. Everyone just follow the previous method all the way to this side. We'll teach you how to crochet here, this side.
We'll start with a row of slip stitches here, and the braid is also crocheted with slip stitch.
Here we hook. First, crochet a row of slip stitches.
There is also a circle on the top of the bag.
40 slip stitches here. Everyone can do it by yourself. To here. Let's see how to crochet it again.
Here we also crochet a slip stitch down this side.
One row. Here on this side, it's the same.
And the connection method is the same as before.
I won't demonstrate it for you. Here,
You can do it by yourself. Finish here.
And then hide the thread inside
Everyone can do it by yourself.
and finish the entire circle. This bag is finished here.
If you have any questions, you can go back and watch it.